2 hours later.
I really Man, after 4 weeks, finally got her back. So a lot has happened in a couple of days. I haven't uploaded any videos in a while, but here we are. All right, so the car did run into a little hiccup. Somebody run into the back of the car on the freeway, pretty much. So I had to take the car into the shop to get the back repaired. And while I was thinking about doing that, I had, scratches and dings all over, from like the freeway in the front, a whole lot of mess. And I thought, well, if it's going into the shop to get the back paint, might as well I just pay them extra and then do a full paint job on the car. And that's what I ended up doing. So I ended up, waiting a bit longer, but it was worth the wait. The car was originally jet black. Now it is now sapphire black, metallic. I'm not gonna lie, it's beautiful, and they buff it, and it is gorgeous. Reflections all over. Pretty much I'm not allowed to wash this car for like the next 3 months, so I can't wash it. But I have a whole lot of items to be installed on it, because I'm saying, while the old accident happened, I'm like, well, might as well I change a few stuff. Like, take for instance, I did replace these headlights, like, probably three months ago. I replaced these bad boys, and they're pretty awesome, don't get me wrong. But some new ones drop, which are way better. They're right here. I have a few items here I gotta install. A matter of fact, I'm gonna do the steering wheel right now, so let's go take care of that. I did do a lot of upgrades in here. I did replace a lot of areas with carbon, etc. Heads-up unit, cluster. I do love this cluster. It's so awesome. I'm running the G80 theme right now. There's a few more themes there, but that one is pretty awesome, and it's so responsive. No hiccups, no glitches, no lags. It is so smooth, it's unreal. I did do a video about it. I'm gonna put the link up for that video right here, and y'all go check that out. It is pretty awesome. There's a lot of information I'm getting while I'm driving. Like, take for instance, I'm getting like oil pressure, I'm getting coolant temperature, battery voltage, that comes in very handy, oil temps right here. I'm reading my oil temps right here. I don't normally you would have the gauge on the analog that tells you the car is overheating or not, but I'm already monitoring the coolant temps right here, so I know if the car is overheating or not. I already know all of that mess. So I have it set up where I'm getting a lot of information, as I said. The only thing I do need to change in here as it remains is this bad boy. And as you know, this is not sports version, so you get this ugly steering wheel, but I went ahead and I got the updated version. I did wrap it carbon wrap also, and I did pick this up from Pick and Pull. Fun fact, I paid $30 for the steering wheel and the airbag. The airbag is literally sitting right there. But yep, $30. It's kind of crazy. And to get the paddle shifts to work, I had to buy this wire to run it from here all the way down here, connect it on here under the column. So I'm gonna pretty much do that right now. It's not a long process. It should take me about an hour or so, but I'm gonna need to lift up this, and then I'm gonna have to route this wire somewhere up in here to bring it all the way to the column to go up. So first thing is first, gotta take out the steering wheel. There's some holes right here on the side, and that's like the hardest part. So I'm gonna probably do that off cam, honestly, because it is so difficult. And I mean, the video is gonna be running and I can't get it off. So when I get it off, I get it off. I know there's one hole right here, found it. Whoop, and then there's another one on this side. I just gotta push it up straightwards for the clip, and then the airbag will pop out. But first, let me go unplug the battery in the back, because I don't want any airbag blow on me, and let me go put on the other one.
2,000 years later.
After 1 hour, honestly, it took me an hour. It is horrible, people. It is horrible. These, I believe these are harder to take off than newer ones. I swear to God. But after an hour, I got it off. And I still got to disconnect it back here, but Damn. And you know the weirdest part is just to stick the screwdriver all the way up just to get to this lever. This one right here, that's all. That lever. But let me see if I could unclip this. My hands can't get it. Let me use this screwdriver here. All right, that's out. So airbag is out. Now, yeah, I scratch up in here real bad. And all you gotta do is stick it up in here, straight up, and then pull this lever. It is so easy when it's not on it, but yeah, bro. I need to undo this bad boy also, and then this is a 16. I'm gonna remove this bad boy, so let me get this off. All right, we got that bad boy out. All right, there we go. So you're out, drop them up top, and we could just take this off. Now we need to remove this bad boy right here. All right, took this bad boy down. All right, so the wire that we need to get to would be this one under here. So they're supposed to be, you know, one of them legendary BMW clips where you pull the lever and it should release. So you should press down. Let me see if I could press down on the top and then push it forward. There it is. And it's out. Now we need to slide it out from the side because we got to get into the top of it. And so let me slide this out real quick. All right, on this plug, just to slide it out, there is a pin on the side right here, right there in the top. You press down on it. Once you press on it, then you just pull it out. We will be removing slot 2, which would be, I believe, yellow and green, and then we'll be removing slot 4. So we're gonna remove on the side that is pointing down, so you know the first one would be the blue and the white. We're gonna remove this one right here, and then we're gonna remove this one right here. So we're gonna remove this, skip this one, remove the other one, and they're not hard to remove. Just press down on that pin thing and slide them out. I gotta put the phone down and do this. Man, it's hard to do these things when you only got one hand. But I'm gonna get this done. I need to lift up these pieces so I could route the wire through around here and come up through here, just to come up on the side and go right up in here. Remove the top for the shifter, remove shifter knob. I'm gonna have to take this piece out, just lift it up a bit. Pretty much what we're gonna do, we're gonna connect the wire right here and then route it through the side, come all the way around, right up in here, and then get right to here. So you know that process. Let me skip through this. I took this area apart. I pretty much route this wire under here, the side, pull it right here, send it through the side, up under here. I had to take this down, and it's right here. It's right here for now. But over here, I unplugged this one from the side, so I need to connect one in here and then connect the other one right in here. So nothing hard, easy 1-3. Connect it properly. Make sure you hear the snap sound when you connect. Route back this onto this safety clip right here. Let me get this up onto here first. Sorry. All right, so now for up here, I'm gonna drop a link in the description for this connector that I'm currently using. We're gonna drop the yellow and orange in the number 2, and then we're gonna drop the full yellow in the number 4. If the wire you order from somewhere else and it is a white and black, you drop the black in the number 4 and the white in the number 2. But let me slide these in real quick, as I said. All right, there it is. Now we're gonna use some electrical tape and wrap up these two. We're gonna probably use them in the future. You never know. But we're just gonna wrap them up for now, put them same place when there's nowhere to put them, and then we're gonna tuck the remaining wire in here. Just tuck it up there pretty much. It's not in the way of anything. I'll probably put it to this side so it's not in the way. You know what? Let me pull back on some of it and tuck it under here. All right, now that's finished. This knob is at the top right here, so I'm just gonna slide this back down in this space. Find the groove. Ah, there it is. Slide. Oh, you hear it clip? That's it. That's all we wanted to do. Want it to click. And now we could just reconnect this onto here. Where's this connector? Oh, right here. Okay, cool. It's right here. And now we just need to pull this up. There we go. Solid. So we'll connect that back. Everything is good right here. All of this is good. Could tuck this right here. It's not in the way. Get back that under cover piece. Lock all of that back up together. All of this. Oh, whoop. Gotta turn this the right way. So it should be like this. All right, let me lock this up. All right, now that we clip all of that together, there's a green line right here. And for the new steering, we gotta match that up with that flat bottom right there. So just need to match that up. Once you match that up, you're good. Yeah, there we go. Match up. That spot right here. Once you match that up, you're good. So that in line with that. Nice. Now we just need to tighten that. And after we tighten it, then we gotta secure these wires up in here and then connect everything. But nice. Not bad. Not bad. I'm gonna probably do this rewrap because there's some stuff I don't like with it, but I'll probably redo this later down. But so far so good. It's all right. I just need to put everything else together and connect the battery and make sure the airbag is solid. Yeah. All right, moment of truth to see if everything is working quite nicely. So we're just start up, spring down, over into that sport. Grab that shifter right here. 3.
Let me pause it right there. I had to tape that down the column because I realized I was pushing to upshift and pull to downshift when I'm supposed to pull to shift my gears and push to downshift. I took it down, rearranged the wires, but we're good to go now.
We're looking pretty good. Everything is working. Shifters are working pretty nicely. Downshift, upshift, everything is working pretty good. That's it. That's all we want. Otherwise from that, we still have a lot of stuff to put back together up top here. There's a lot of things. As I said, the car needs cleaning. Got to get it detailed. But I'm gonna definitely drop more videos along the way. I'm gonna drop the video for the headlights. I'm sure I'm probably gonna just install the headlights tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow. But thanks for watching, and hope to catch y'all in the next one.